A beautician shared the secret with me. Silky, smooth hands, just like after a luxurious salon treatment. Start by sprinkling sugar onto your hands. Its tiny grains help scrub away rough layers. Add a bit of instant coffee. It helps make the skin smoother and more even. Squeeze juice from half a lemon directly over the sugar and coffee. Lemon gives your hands a nicer look and helps even out the tone. Finally, add a little toothpaste to help everything mix well and work more thoroughly. Massage this blend in circular motions for a few minutes, especially where your hands feel rough or dirty. Give it a moment to spread well and do its job. You can also use this homemade scrub on other areas where you want a smoother, more even surface. Using it once a week is enough to enjoy the results and keep your hands looking nice. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes.
Apply cloves to your hands and see what happens. You won't recognize your own hands. Take a large handful of cloves and grind them using a blender or coffee grinder. Put the crushed cloves in a pot and pour 200 milliliters of water over them. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and turn on the stove. Heat the mixture, but you don't have to boil it. Thanks to the tannin content, cloves can slow down the aging process of the skin. They have antioxidant properties that block the development of free radicals. Coconut oil has similar properties. Cloves are effective in fighting fungi and have a strong anti-inflammatory effect. The skin, thanks to cloves, can become smoother, radiant, and free of discoloration. When the mixture is heated, strain it into a container and let it cool. Pour it into a spray bottle. Clove oil reduces irritation and helps maintain a healthy appearance of the skin. When applied to hands, face, or other areas of the skin, it also protects against insects. Taking care of our skin, we simultaneously protect it from ticks, mosquitoes, fleas, or spiders. Just spray the skin on your hands and massage it in. Apply to hands, face, and skin. Using this mixture relaxes and soothes muscle tension. It reduces stress. Additionally, the essential oils in cloves have pain-relieving effects, including relief from migraines and lowering blood pressure. When I run out of my clove and coconut oil bottle, I immediately prepare another one. Everyone asks about the secret of my skin.
This is how I make liquid gold. It saves me a fortune, and I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly, which many people use. But not everyone knows its full potential. Take 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly and place it in a small, clean bowl. Add a bit of honey. The antioxidants in honey slow down skin aging. Mix everything thoroughly. Now, apply this amazing blend to your hands. Your skin will be deeply moisturized and nourished. With daily use, you'll see visible results in just a few days.
Natural mask that removes blackheads and pimples. Preparation takes only 5 minutes. Prepare 4 aspirin tablets. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which helps fight acne. It exfoliates and softens the skin. Lay out a piece of plastic wrap on a board, then place the tablets on it and cover with another layer of plastic wrap. Using a hammer, crush the tablets into powder. This will help them dissolve faster. Transfer the powder to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt. It is rich in vitamin B and proteins, soothing irritations, and promoting skin regeneration. Like a soothing dressing, it helps reduce redness and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together. Honey is an antioxidant that blocks free radicals, helping to maintain youthful skin. Finally, add almond oil. It gently moisturizes the skin without leaving a greasy layer. This oil effectively rebuilds the skin's hydrolipidic barrier. Thoroughly mix the mask to achieve a uniform consistency. It takes literally 5 minutes to prepare, and its effects are wonderful. Apply the mask to the face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes. During this time, the ingredients will penetrate the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging. Aspirin helps remove dead skin cells. Blackheads and pimples won't stand a chance.
A homemade skin-tightening mask that erases wrinkles like a magic eraser. Your skin will feel firmer after just one application. The best part? It costs next to nothing to make. The key ingredient is coffee, a natural antioxidant that fights free radicals. That's why caffeine has anti-aging effects. Take 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and pour it into a small bowl. Coffee contains polyphenolic compounds that slow down the breakdown of vitamin C in the skin, smoothing it and preventing new wrinkles from forming. Next, add 1 tablespoon of water and mix well. Then add agar-agar, a plant-based thickening agent that works like gelatin. It ensures the mask stays in place and doesn't slide off your face. Place a dish towel at the bottom of a saucepan, pour in water, and set the bowl with the mask mixture inside. Stir constantly until everything dissolves. The texture should be like honey and have a light brown color. Once it cools slightly, apply the mixture to clean skin on your hands, neck, or face. Leave it on until it sets. This mask firms and nourishes the skin's outer layer. The coffee stimulates collagen production, helping to prevent wrinkles. Don't rinse the mask off. Peel it off in 1 layer. You'll see a difference after the very first use. For the second recipe, we'll use whole coffee beans, which offer even better quality. Place a teaspoon of beans in a grinder and grind them into fine bits. Caffeine energizes and stimulates the skin, helping blood vessels work more efficiently and improving circulation. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which provides deep hydration. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Blend everything together. That's all you need. Just 3 ingredients to create a nourishing, all-natural exfoliant. Coffee scrubs stimulate blood and lymph circulation, breaking down fat cells, reducing cellulite, and flushing out toxins. Coffee also protects the skin from harmful environmental factors. With regular use, your skin will look brighter and dark spots will fade. And that's not the only beauty product you can make with freshly ground coffee. Add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee to a small bowl. Then, separate an egg yolk from the white and add the yolk to the bowl. Egg yolk contains vitamin A, which helps fight acne and wrinkles. Add a few drops of liquid vitamin E, often called the youth vitamin. It boosts firmness and skin elasticity. Mix it all together and apply the mask to your face. Let it dry completely, then rinse off with water. For best results, apply this mask at least twice a week. It works like an eraser for wrinkles and discoloration.